Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Security and Privacy, then Face Recognition. You will be prompted to confirm your lock screen PIN or pattern. Do that now so the phone can store biometric data securely. Once done, position your face in a clear, well-lit area and keep the phone at eye level about 20 to 50 centimeters away. Make sure there are no obstructions like hats or sunglasses. The system needs a clean scan to map facial features accurately for reliable unlocking. Now tap Register Face if this is new, or re-register to replace current data. Follow the on-screen prompts. Slowly rotate your head and adjust angle as requested so the algorithm captures side profiles and depth. Continue until the progress indicator hits 100%. Make sure you enable optional security toggles, such as requiring eyes to be open if you want higher security. If the phone asks to improve recognition under different lighting, accept that to create multiple samples for more reliable performance in varied conditions. Finish by testing unlock several times, then revisit face recognition settings to enable app lock or payment authentication if needed. Add an alternate face only if available. Make sure you keep a secure backup PIN or pattern in case biometric fails. If recognition is inconsistent, clean the front camera and retry in brighter, even lighting. Removing screen protectors can help. As a last resort, delete the existing face data and re-register from scratch. This fixes most registration errors and gives the algorithm fresh, accurate samples.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.